Hello there, fifth graders. Hope y'all are doing well out in Cyberland. Hey, I understand that in science, your current topic is on Earth and Sun. So today I'd like to make this help video to enable you to locate resources that will help support your learning in this area. So first of all, I started this at our HES virtual classroom page. If you scroll down on the left-hand side, if you click on Library, you will be able to click on Electronic Resources if you need a reminder about how to log into Mac and VIA. You guys remember Mac and VIA? We've done quite a bit with it this year. It's also Electronic Resources are underneath Library once you click the down arrow and it opens up. So the reminder is under Electronic Resources, okay? And then once you have opened up your Mac and VIA, it will look like this. That's the home page, and I would like you to click on databases. We'll go over that area first. There are 3 databases that will be helpful for the topic of Earth and Sun. So the first one, remember, there's 27 databases in here, and they are all in alphabetical order. So the first one is the DK Find Out. And if you've ever read any DK books in the library, you know that those are pretty good science books. That DK Find Out, open now. Okay, and then you just scroll down a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and go to the Earth tab. And of course, you will find all things related to planet Earth there. There's a lot of different subtopics that you can choose from. You can probably extend your learning even beyond what you're doing in that current unit. And there's also links to different kind of books, you know, that are part of the Earth, like volcanoes. You can kind of go other places. Okay, so that's the first one. That was Earth. And then I'll just go ahead and click the back button. And the space, of course, would be where we'll find some information about our sun. Okay, under solar system. And there is the Gigantor sun. And if you click right on it, it will take you to all the information that you ever wanted to know but were afraid to ask about our sun. Okay? So it's pretty cool. It's a good starting place, I think. That's DK Facts. Okay? And then if we go back to our Mac and VIA tab, the next one that I want you to look for is PebbleGo Next. So we'll just continue scrolling down slowly so I don't make everybody sick. Okay, so here's the PebbleGo Next, but not American Indian Studies, not biographies, not social studies, science. So you click the open now, and then we're going to go into Earth science, of course, and the planets and solar system. All right, so under planets, of course, we're going to find information about our Earth. So you just click on the Earth. And you can navigate this section in different ways. You can click on the tabs up top. There's a video up there. It's kind of cool. Or you can just scroll down. And of course it has the read feature. If you know you're having some trouble with reading all the words or whatever, you can just click the read feature, and that will help you. Okay, so that was Earth, and then if I just click back to planets and solar system, if I go to stars and solar system on the right hand side, that's where you'll find information about the sun. And when you click there, it's the same setup as it was for the Earth. Okay, so that's the second cool resource for those science topics. And then if we go back up to Mac and VIA, I always like to keep all the tabs open so I can navigate back and forth. Okay, and the next one that I'm looking for is PowerKnowledge. So, and PowerKnowledge has subdivided into 3 science categories once we get down there. There's Earth and Space, Life Science, and Physical Science. Now this morning I had a little bit of trouble with it, with logging in. I had to hit, once I hit open now, I had to log in again with my Google, but it seems to be working just fine now. If you have any troubles with anything, with Mac and Via, or you just need any kind of help to do with the library, or just want to chat with me, you can click my library link, and then there's my email link there, and you can contact me that way. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go down to space, and there's all kinds of subtopics here, but of course planets, and then we're going to find, what are we going to find? Earth, sure enough. And you click on that, and it's all the same kind of ideas as the PebbleGo Next, except you navigate the sections on the side, on the left, or you can just keep, no, you have to navigate, or you hit the next section. You can do that also, and then it automatically takes you to the next section. It has a listen feature, just like the other ones. Okay, so that was the Earth, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click back on the Earth Space Science, and go back to space. I should have probably just hit the back button. You guys will be better at this than me. And then, of course, there's the sun there. Okay? And subtopics from there. All right, now I'm going to take you back to Mac and Via for one more excellent resource. And this is not a database, so you have to go back up to the top of the page. Okay? And I would like you to click the Links tab on the left-hand side. We are going to go to one of the Scholastic sites. Scholastic has both BookFlix, super fun and cool, and TrueFlix. So the TrueFlix, True Books, sure enough, is a nonfiction treasure chest of really cool things to explore. So it gives the username and password. I just like to highlight that word because it's the same for both, and do a right click copy, and then I go ahead and open now, and then I just paste same username and password, and then I just log in. You will love, love, love this Scholastic site. Okay, so there's all these different topics, and there's a lot of topics that will help you in other subjects, but we're going to stay focused on our Earth and Sun. So if you go down, we're going to go to the solar system, sure enough. And these are books that are actually physically in my library. I have every one of these, but we also have them online. So you will see that there's one on the sun and one on the Earth. So we'll go ahead and click the Earth one. And all of these books are like this. They start with a video. You can watch the video first, and then you go ahead and read the book. And there's all kinds of things that you can do just for the pure enjoyment of experiencing this topic really, really well. So look at that. We have 3 databases, and then under the Links tab, we went to TrueFlix, which is a Scholastic site, And remember, there's BookFlix and TrueFlix, but I took you to TrueFlix for all the nonfiction resources. These are all really, really good places to help you with your studies in science right now. So hope everyone's doing well, and take care. And like I said before, just email me if you have any questions or need help. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye.